This is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. To begin with, it is worth mentioning that in order for this method to work for you, you have to know the password to the child's Gmail account. If you do not know the password, unfortunately, you should look for another way. So with this out of our agenda, we can begin to turn off parental controls. So open settings, then enter Google category. In here, let me show you that my parental controls are indeed active. So from here, tap on the account, then go manage accounts on this device. Oh, my bad. From here, just tap on the manage your Google account button. Then at the Google Account Management Center, you need to open up the data and privacy page. Then scroll it all the way down. Tap on the delete your Google account option. Do not be afraid, right after we will get rid of parental controls, we will also recover Google account, so no worries on that end. In here, enter the password, which I will obviously do off the screen. At the following page, check those two boxes at the bottom, then tap on the delete account option. From here you can get two messages. The one that says that, well, something went wrong, and the one that confirms that your account deletion process were a success. Both are fine, both identify that you did everything correct. So from here, basically all parental controls were disabled. Let me prove that to you real quick. As you can see, there is no account linked, as well as if I'll enter parental controls, there will be none. So all that it's left to do is to recover, thus restore the Google account, which you can very simply do by using it to sign into the Google Play. So in here, I will enter the email address of the Gmail account I've just deleted from existence, kinda. So you should get this account was recently deleted and maybe recoverable message. That means that you're on the right track. Now click next, then enter the password. Usually it is normal thing to get something went wrong message at this stage. If you got it as myself, basically the Google account has been successfully recovered at this point. So the only thing that I really need to still use it to log into the Play Store. So I'll show you and prove you that the account was indeed restored. So as you can see, it has let us through, so everything is fine. Account is recovered, parental controls are disabled, life is good. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.